Peace, family, peace. Listen, today we're going to talk about a few things. And this right here is one of my chickens. I have several other free roaming chickens on my property. What I want to discuss with you all is freedom, okay? Freedom is extremely important for the peace and sanctity of every human being. What we do here at Credit Healing is that we help people attain the freedom that they want and desire in life. We want for our brothers and sisters what we want for ourselves. Listen, if you are looking to improve the quality of your life, if you are tired of sitting and waiting and trying to figure out what to do, how to do, when to do, and you're just going through this ever-revolving door or circle, we want for you to be able to achieve the freedom and peace that you want. That's what we do, and we have done it for many people. So listen, if you are ready to get started, if you are ready and you're tired of living the life that you have been living, what I want you to do is I want you to go to www.credithealing.org. Sign up for a free one-on-one consultation. It is free. When you sign up, make sure that your ears are open, your heart is open, your mind is open, and you're willing and ready to receive that which you truly desire. We can help you be able to achieve that, but we need you to get started. Stop procrastinating, stop waiting, and do what you need to do in life. All right, family, so we look forward to helping you. We love you. And look, let's help you to attain some freedom. That's what you want and need in life. Peace.